Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, if you are interested in data science and you want to do the certification, you don't have money and you have a lot of interest, then this tutorial is for you because I'm going to share a thing from IBM that will not cost you anything and you will learn a lot. Let me show you the thing which I was sharing is IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Kickstart your career. Skills which you will gain with this: data science, deep learning, machine learning, big data, data mining, GIT Hub, Python programming, Jupyter Notebooks, RStudio, methodology, crisp DM data analysis. Now here, just look at the rating right here. Almost 60K ratings, and it's a 11-month-old course, and it is a self-paced course, so it might take a week to do so. Under 4 hours of study a week. Now you can learn in English, you can get subtitles in Arabic, French. No prior experience is required, and the average salary will be almost $1 lakh, and demand of this skill is almost 56,000. Get special access to IBM's talent network, and this is wonderful, which you can do. So here it says enroll for free, starts November 14, and financial aid available. So you can go through with that and check how exactly it is, because this is the best as far as the data science professional certificate is concerned. This is one of the best thing which you can get. So I'll mention the link in the description box. You can go through with that and let me know how was the experience, and I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.